Hello. Today I will tell you how to prepare an infusion of ash, which will increase the yield of your plants, as well as accelerate the ripening of fruits. This fertilizer is ecological and harmless to the environment, and absolutely free. And if you want to see more interesting videos about the garden and vegetable garden, then after watching this video, visit my channel and watch, and do not forget to subscribe. It is important to know the acidity of your soil before applying the fertilizer that will be discussed now. If the soil is acidic or neutral, then this fertilizer can be used, but if the soil is alkaline, then it is better not to use this fertilizer. And to prepare an infusion of ash, we will need a 10-liter bucket, into which we need to immediately pour 3 liters, and we will also need another 10 liters. You will also need a liter jar with which we will measure the right proportion and of course the wood ash itself. In order for the infusion to be of high quality, the ash that you use must be dry from burning wood until the moment when you use it. She wasn't supposed to get wet. For example, if you left the ash in the rain, then all the useful trace elements were washed out of it in the place where it lay, and there will be no benefit from the infusion of such ash for plants. And the useful properties of wood ash is that it has a large amount of potassium, phosphorus, calcium and other macro and microelements in its composition. It still depends on the type of wood you burned. In order to prepare the infusion, we take a liter jar and fill it tightly with ash, and such cans will need 3 pieces. Pour them into a bucket with 3 liters of water, mix and top up with water to the top. Cover with a lid and send it to infuse for 2 days. After 2 days, we remove the lid and mix the resulting concentrate from the ash, because there is a sediment at the bottom. And for root dressing, we take a liter jar of concentrated ash infusion and pour it into 10 liters of clean water. Mix it until smooth and you can go feed grapes, tomatoes, currants and other plants that need phosphorus and potassium. And plants need potassium and phosphorus in the second half of their growing season, namely to a small extent after flowering and to a greater extent when the fruits begin to ripen. And under 1 bush of cucumbers, tomatoes or peppers, you need to pour only 1 liter of the finished infusion. For the whole season, such fertilizers can be made 3, with intervals between fertilizers in 2 weeks. And if this video was useful for you, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new ones. I wish you a big harvest this year and a good mood. See you in the next video.